Yo, what's up good people? You guys probably been wondering what I have been for about 4 years. I think it's more than 4 years. So, long story short, I'm back. Okay, so I got my Tesla Model 3 about a year ago, and I wanted to put some rear spoiler, front lip, and this and that. So I started looking for those on internet, and then I found a company, Maxton, which can supply their products to Finland. And I decided to buy from them, and I bought one. After 2 or 3 weeks, it got broken by hitting the snow. So I decided, okay, let's buy another one and let's try that one. At this time I will be more careful. And then I bought another one from Maxton, and I ended up breaking it on the same day. And I was like, okay, that's not good. Then I was looking for something that probably goes inside the bumper, inside the existing bumper. Then I found this company, Green Drive. They're from France. Green Drive, they have this real carbon fiber front lip. It goes on the top of the existing bumper of your car, which is not making your car lower. So in this way, my car will not be hitting snows like before. So there is a very less chance of getting that thing broken. It cost me about 700 something to get it in Finland, but it was worth the money. So I decided to share my experience with you. I already installed it and I have been using this one for about 3 months. I think it's more than 3 months, and I'm super happy about it. I'm glad that I bought it. I regret that I didn't get it earlier. So yeah, let's check this shit out. That you have seen it, you already know how it looks. I think it looks pretty good, at least to me. I'm super happy with it. Let me know in the comment if you liked it or not, and share your ideas. Keep supporting me like you supported before, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.